Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about the logical operators. Okay, what are logical operators? The logical operators means and, or, and not. Okay, what is mean by it? Here, and means here we are taking two or more conditions, not only more than one condition. If all conditions are true, okay, the output will print true. If any one condition is false, the output will print false. Okay, let's have a look. Suppose here condition 1, here condition 1, 5 is less than 6, and condition 2, okay, and condition 1 is here the condition 1 is 5 is less than 6, and as well as condition 2 is equal to 7 is greater than 5. Okay, 7 is greater than 5. Here I took two conditions. Okay, here I took two conditions. Suppose actually this is a true value, and as well as this is also a true value. Okay, now the output will be printed true. Okay, the output will be printed true. Let's have a look. Suppose here I am taking, okay, here I am taking 5 is less than 6, and as well as B's I am taking 7 is greater than 5. Okay, 7 is greater than 5. Here, please take it as A is a condition 1 and B is a condition 2. Let's now print it. uh, A and B. Okay, A and B. Here we are calling as logical and logical or and logical not. Okay. Here, but the logical word we are adding before the and or not. Okay. See here. Now the output will be printed true. Why? Because the given two conditions are true. Not only two conditions. The logical and means more than the one condition. All condition becomes true. The output will be printed true. Then otherwise the output will be print false. Like, see here, suppose here I am taking 3. Okay, 3 is greater than 5. 3 is greater than 5. Is this condition is true? This condition is false. Why? Because 3 is a less number when comparing to 5. That's why. Now here the condition A is true. Now here the condition A is true and the condition B is false. And the condition B is false. Then see, one is true condition and another one is the false condition. Okay, the output is also print a false condition. The output is also print a false condition. Why? Because this is the and. Okay, this is the logical and. Logical and means suppose here we are taking more than two conditions, but the explanation goes through only based on two conditions. Okay, the explanation is always do with the two conditions, but when we are diving to problems, uh, based on the problems we have to discuss. Okay, now two and true, two and true is equal to true. Okay, and true and false, true and false equal to true. Okay, and false and true equal to, sorry, false. Okay, false, false and true equal to, false and true equal to false, false and false equal to false, and false equal to false. If all conditions becomes true, okay, all conditions, all conditions true means at that time only the and operator, okay, all conditions true at that situations only the output will give true value. Okay, then remaining all conditions it becomes false. Okay, suppose in a class 50 members are there. Practical example, we have to take practical example. Suppose in a class total 50 members are there. In that 50 members, 35 is the pass mark in one subject, Okay, suppose let's take math subject. In math subject, 50 students are got above 35 marks. Okay, 50 students are got above 35 marks. At that time only we have to, what we have to say, that particular class, the particular class got 100% pass percentage. Okay, 100%. Okay, 100% pass percentage. Suppose one student got failed. Okay, one student got failed means at the time what we have to say is the class got 100 percentage of pass percentage, 100% of for pass percentage. No, why? Because one student failed. Okay, likewise you have to think. Okay, next, hmm, see with the R condition. Let's have a look with the R condition. See here, this is the and. Suppose R means here, suppose two conditions are true, is always true. If any one condition is true, the output will print true. If any one condition, if any one condition is true, the output will print true. The remaining, suppose two conditions are false, and that the situation, the output will print false. Okay. Suppose let's have a look here. I'm changing it as R. See it here. One condition is true, and another condition is false. Okay, here one condition is true, one condition is true, and another condition is false. Then the output is always true. Why? Because if any one condition is true, okay, remaining all. Suppose it's I am changing into and both any one condition is false, the output will print false. When we are doing with and any one condition is false, the output will print false. In when we are doing with or any one condition is true, okay, any one condition is true, the output will be print true. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. Next, see, not. Not means completely opposite. Suppose the given condition is true, the output will be print false. The given condition is true, the output will be print false. See it. Not means not false. Give true. Not false means the output will give true. Not true means the output will give false. Suppose here A. A is the what given? True value. Okay, true value. Not of A means what will be the output? Here the actually the given condition is equal to true. Okay, here the node of A means false will print. Okay, false will print. Complete opposite. Okay, it's just complete opposite. Suppose here I'm changing 9. Okay, 9 is less than 6. Actually, it's a false value. Okay, it's a false value. The output will be print true. Okay, the output will be print true. Like you have to do these logical operators, friends. Very easy concept. Suppose AND operator means all conditions true means the output will be printed true. If any one condition is false, the output will be print false. When we are doing with logical OR, all conditions should be false at that time. Sorry, any one condition is true, the output should be true. If all conditions, the all conditions must be false, the output will also print false. The next logical not means if the completely opposite value it will give. Suppose it's the given condition is true, the output will be false. The suppose the given condition is false, the output will be print true value. Okay, this is the logical and these are the logical operators, friends. Like, sorry, finally we have a one more two more operators are there. Those are identity operators and membership operators. But in that majorly we are using membership operators. The membership I will explain about identity operators based on the problems. Okay, membership operators means in okay. I identity also I'm explaining in this video. Okay, see here identity means is and not is will come. Okay, and membership operators means okay, membership operators means in and not in will come. I will explain when we are I will explain when we will go through the problems, right? At that situation only I will explain you. These are the this is the concept on operators, friends. Next we will see 15 problems. No, next we will see the 15 problems on logical operators. Next we will go to the conditional control flow statements like conditional statements. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you understand. If you understand this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much, friends.